I am not in Northampton, I think that's quite clear. I'm actually in Estonia, and this is currently where I am. It's a lake. It is stunning. But I wanted to briefly introduce the whole Mylar shoot I had, because I feel like I didn't record an intro, so this is it. So I got sent this Mylar fabric after having it in my basket on Essential Photos for freaking ages, and I got reached out to say, hey, we would like to send you this to see what you did. So I will admit it was gifted. They didn't have any expectations really on me except maybe produce some photos, but I thought I'd do like a whole YouTube video because I saw a lot of people creating Mylar like this sort of watery, ethereal look, and I love it, and I love it. I think Gavin did a really good one. In fact, I'll link it somewhere because I think that was stunning. But it's just not very me, so I decided, what could I do? And I believe it or not, I was watching the Minions movie, and there's a bit where they're finding their way to Gru. If you don't know the story, I don't want to ruin it too much. And they go past what looks like a spoof of the lunar landing being recorded, and buying into the conspiracy theory that America did not get to the moon when they said they did. And it inspired me, believe it or not. Can I say the Minions inspired this? The Minions inspired this. And I was like, what about if I had like a Dopamine astronaut that landed in the most blah area and we did a shoot like that? Because Mylar reminds me of, like, I hate to say it, but like Rat Pack ration food, what do you call it, like Inside to Crisps, as Demi pointed out halfway through the photo shoot. It kind of made like of this, and I decided to go down that way. So thankfully Demi, who is also my hairdresser, but don't look at my hair right now because your girl is a little sweaty and has been in for a dip in this lake. And so we had the fabric. Now I will just say the noise from the wind was horrific. Now, when I first planned the shoot, there wasn't the wind. It was a heat wave. I thought this would be great. We could use natural light. I want it to be almost overblown. I wanted this kind of look. Is that a hawk? It's a blinking hawk. Excuse me, I'm trying to record something. Could you be less wonderful? Nature is naturing. So I decided to do this whole photo shoot, and it was. Genuinely, it was. It was not difficult to do this shoot. Demi really played. The only thing that was really hard, apart from the wind playing up, was the noise. Demi was like, no, we've got this. The reason why I chose the colours and the way I did it, I wanted to be oversaturated because I wanted this kind of like 90s aesthetic to it, but I also didn't want the background to be too distracting. But obviously, if it was seen, it would be in there. It's not in a lot of the shots. It's in more of the pull away shots because we had to move from what I thought was going to be great. There is literally a hawk there. I can't film it. I can't turn the camera on. Can I? Oh, let's see. So we catch the hawk. I don't know if I can. Can you see it? No, he's gone. I mean, like, this is really hard live to be here, guys. Struggling at life. This is horrific. I don't know how I'm coping. Seriously, the hawk's just come taunting us. The whole idea I wanted this kind of look that was kind of 90s kind of like thing, because I don't remember, but cybergoth, it was quite big then, and I just really liked all that look. And Demi's this amazing colourful character, so we did the shoot like that. But I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.
You need to breeze this way.
Yeah, why is this? Lift your chin up. If you need to put your glass on, you can, because that light. It's light. That's nice. Oh my god, it's so weird to see you tucked up in that. Look over there.